Want this? Follow the instructions. Get your clips ready. Add Twixtor Pro to your clip. Add a keyframe at the beginning and end of your clip, so that the first one is 100 and the last one is minus 100. Select your keyframes and press F9. Adjust your keyframes like me. Replace it on your clips. Add S-Blurmo curves. Adjust your zoom. Select your keyframes and press F9. Do this like me. Replace it on your clips. And if you want, you can use my preset. Link in the description.